What's up, everyone? In today's video, we're going to check out the Royal Castle in Warsaw. It's a rainy day today, so what better way to spend it than to go into a museum. This is the entrance. You're going to get a ticket before you go, 35 zlote, but it's free on Wednesdays. We are at the courtyard. It's quite impressive. We are now at the entrance, and we are greeted with some beautiful artwork. It's like a carpet with some sort of design, as well as some paintings. Quite impressive. This is the Royal Council Room. Check out the ceiling. It looks amazing. This is the Knights Room. Check out these beautiful paintings. Not only are they large, but they're really beautiful too. The Marble Room. It's called that because the walls are literally made of marble. The Throne Room, where the king used to sit. I really like the gold paint. You can tell it's a majestic room. This is the conference room, relatively small. This place is packed with a bunch of paintings, a lot of portraits. It's all very impressive. Check out this globe. I really like the design. Now we are at the royal bedroom. This is where the king's supposed to sleep. This is my favorite room in the castle, the Canaletto room, a famous Italian painter. This is the chapel where they used to have mass. This castle is filled with many interesting rooms, with a lot of paintings and decorated carpets. Check out this beautiful table. And this chair looks amazing. All of the decorations are very exquisite. This painting is amazing. The Senatorial Hall. The Constitution of May 3rd. All of these paintings are very detailed. It was made by a Polish painter. I love art, so I can stare at these all day. And that's it for the Royal Castle. Definitely worth a visit. Time to head out of here. Peace.